Welcome. In this video I will explain how to fix the problem if your HONOR X7d keeps disconnecting from the Wi-Fi. So I want to start with saying that sometimes a fresh connection is all your device needs, so just swipe down to Control Center and try toggling the Wi-Fi icon by tapping it twice, and then check if it improved your device connection. But if it didn't, you can also try to toggle the airplane mode. Sometimes it works better. And in case the airplane mode toggling doesn't help you, just press the power button and volume up key, select restart and wait until your device is restarted, and then check your connection once again. Optionally, if you have access to your router, also try restarting it. Once your device is restarted, if the problem continues to show, you can forget your network and reconnect to it again by going to settings, then going to the Wi-Fi settings. Wait until it starts up. Sometimes it takes a little while. Select your Wi-Fi network, then select forget, and then reconnect to it by tapping on it and providing the password to it once again. Once you're done, tap connect and see if the problem still exists. And if it does, then you can also perform a full reset of your network settings on your phone. And to do that, you have to go back to settings, then scroll down to System and Updates, open this menu, and then select Reset right here, and tap Reset Network Settings. Before you perform this operation, I want you to know that it will also affect your Bluetooth and mobile data. Well, it will not do much with your mobile data, but as for Bluetooth, it will remove your paired Bluetooth device, and you're gonna have to repair them back to your phone once you do that. So just tap Reset Network Settings and then confirm, and then just reconnect to the Wi-Fi as we did it before. So turn on your Wi-Fi, select the Wi-Fi network, enter the password to it, and tap connect. And basically, by following this sequence, you should enjoy stable and reliable Wi-Fi on your smartphone. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.